Your original hometown dealer, Saida, Trudeau Chrysler Jeep Dodge and Ram.
Looking to get away this Labor Day weekend, just about an hour and a half away? Sawmill Trailhead. This trail weaves through pinyons, junipers, plenty of wildflowers. Amazing views of Mummy Mountain can be seen while you walk through the forest and meadow-like clearings. This trail is available for non-motorized transportation. Enjoy the 1.3-mile loop trail near Mount Charleston, Nevada, generally considered an easy route. Takes an average of 33 minutes to complete. This is a popular trail for birding, hiking, and walking, but you can still enjoy some solitude during quieter times of the day. The best times to visit this trail are April through September. Dogs are welcome, but they must be on a leash.